What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I have a quick little video for you guys today. I sold a headlight yesterday that I'm going to ship out right now, but I wanted to make a quick little video about it because it's one of the quickest things I've sold since I listed it. I listed this yesterday at 12:30 p.m. and then I sold it at 4:30 p.m. So it was on eBay for only 4 hours. That is one of the fastest times that I've ever sold anything, and this headlight was very expensive. So I thought I'd do a little video on it. All right, so this is the headlight right here. If you don't know what this is, it's a BMW 5 Series headlight. This will fit 2014, 15, and 16. All 5 Series, 528s, 535s, 550s, and M5s, they were all the same headlights. They did have a couple different option of headlights, but this will fit all the different years. It is very, very clean. I got this from work. This car was hit down the side and the fender broke a little piece of the housing right here. Nothing major. Obviously, all the tabs are still good. I make sure to take pictures of all the tabs and put them on the pictures on eBay. As you can see, these ones down here are still good too. So it just has a tiny little spot right here that is broken, but other than that, it is good. The lens is really clean. The headlight does not come complete. It does not have any modules, any ballast. There's no bulb in there. Obviously, you want to make sure that you write that down in your description. I took pictures of all the tabs that are intact. All of them are good. Like I said, it's just this one small little piece right here that is broken, which does not affect anything. So obviously someone is getting a good deal on this headlight. So that's what this headlight looks like. I love selling these BMW headlights. I've always loved selling them because they always go for a good price as long as they're in really good condition. So the best part about this headlight is that it's not off a brand new car. This car is almost 10 years old, so there might be a lot of these cars out there that are very cheap because of other problems with them, that people are just selling them, you know, really cheap that you can buy and then part out. I have looked before and I come across a couple, but it's never the right time to buy a parts car. So I have not gotten one yet, but I always do look for these specifically. These 5 Series and 7 Series have very expensive parts that you can sell. So I just wanted to make this video. I always talk about headlights and selling headlights. This is a prime example of a really good headlight to sell. And like I said, I sold it in 4 hours. I've actually had this part in my garage for at least 2 or 3 weeks now and just haven't got the time to list it. And I ended up listing yesterday. And like I said, 4 hours later, I got the notification that it was sold. So I'm very happy about that because obviously it's a really good price. It's very high. This might go down as one of the more expensive things that I sell in this whole year, depending on what else I might get my hands on. So I just want to make this quick little video for you guys. I hope you like it. If you have any other questions or comments, let me know and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.